Hi everyone, I'm Darren. I'm working for the Keewin display company. Our company is professional doing the LCD product by providing different solutions. Right now, the product I'm going to introduce is the outdoor digital signage. This is very special product with IP66, which was waterproof and dust-proof already. And the most important thing, the screen design is very slim, which is allowed or available to install our clients' exist enclosure. So our client don't have to build an entire kiosk by themselves. Again, we will provide the screen, outdoor screen, which can allow our client to easy maintenance or installation in their fields. For more information, please visit our website, the www.keewindisplay.com. Thank you.